Hello, my name is Jordan Ray, and I am a grade 5 English language arts teacher in Izmir, Turkey. I've been using Google Apps for several years, and it's been about the past year that I have started to use the script editor to create Google App scripts to extend the functionality of those Google Apps. Here's an example. What is an API? The term's gotten really popular lately, and all it stands for is Application Programming Interface, and it is a way to communicate with data. The most common format for data inside an API is JSON, JavaScript Object Notation, and it's a very simple object with keys and values. If you're familiar at all with JavaScript already, you have definitely seen this format for creating objects. I'm going to show you how we can turn a form into a kind of a very simple REST API. So inside the spreadsheet holding all of our responses, I want to serve that data up to some sort of web application. I'm going to post the code below this video, but it is very simply, and I'm going to just walk through it, we're going to publish this as a web app, and that app being our API itself, just serving data for us to use in another application. All I'm doing is I'm grabbing all of the data from the spreadsheet. I'm taking the first row as the header row. I'm creating an array, and then I'm going to take the data variable, which is here, and I'm going to loop through each row and turn it into an object of keys and values. I'm going to push all of that to an array, and I'm going to return the whole thing as a JSON object. This code here can be reused for pretty much any form. I'm going to deploy it as a web app. I want to make sure I allow anyone to have access, even anonymous. And when you click deploy, it's going to give you a URL that you can use in another web app. And here we're seeing the information that's returned is just the key and value from every row in our spreadsheet. To find out more about APIs, please just follow the links in my videos. I'm going to try to link to other documentation to further talk about APIs.